On your marks, get set. If you can hit that button with the up arrow.
Up?
Yeah. And then slide to take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, you pointed it the wrong way. Oh, it's fine. See how fast it's going up? 4.5 miles an hour. Probably shouldn't do it that fast. Actually, it probably could go up even faster, but I think there's a limit set on it.
How high is it?
103. 104. 106. 108. Let's enjoy that view, and then maybe we'll go a little bit. I'm just worried it's gonna start blowing away if it goes too much higher.
Yeah.
It's 110, about 110 right now. Look at that amazing view.
Wow.
Should we go a little higher, you think?
It's your choice.
I'm scared. You know what? We're getting really close to the clouds. I just realized that.
Wait.
If I go high enough, I think that drone could easily go past the clouds, I think. Should I try that? With 250 feet? Alright.
Sure.
Dude, if it... I heard one guy, I watched this video of him having a similar drone. And, you know what happened?
What?
He actually flew it beyond the clouds.
Mm-hmm.
Like, he made the same exact drone. And because of the way the sensors worked on the bottom, it actually thought, you know, because of or it was like a foggy day or something, and it like treated the clouds and the fog as a place to land. He almost lost his drone. I thought that's where it was supposed to land.
Well, it's not foggy.
Yeah, but like the point, like the sensors think the clouds is like the bottom of the clouds is like where, like it's thinking of it as it's on land. I just hope that doesn't happen. I don't think I can go that high because that's 114. It's getting a little unstable.
How did you know?
I see it moving a little bit. Unless it's just my imagination, because I think my eyesight's getting worse, I think. But
Yeah, it's fine.
it's fine, you don't see it moving? Are you
No,
sure? It's at
well,
40?
I don't.
Alright. Yeah, it's at 40%.
I
so.
see him moving up.
Mm-hmm. $119, $120, $120. Is it moving
It's not.
at all?
No.
Alright, that's good. I'm gonna go up a bit higher. I didn't want to set the limit too much high. I mean, I literally set it 20 meters higher than... Because it was by default, it was 30 meters. I set it to 50 meters at max. Because I don't want to go too high, because I'm paranoid it's going to get lost.
Okay.
You're going to have to keep an eye on it, because you're the one with the better eyesight, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, to me it looks like it's moving around.
It's not.
Yeah, maybe it's because I'm moving. I'm shaking.
I see him moving upwards.
It's yeah, it's 124. 120. Should we get another view at 125?
It's disappearing into the clouds.
No, it's still there. It's getting really close, that's for darn sure. Let's get 126 feet. We're gonna have to...
Low battery warning.
Oh boy. Oh, landed in a minute. See, isn't that...
Wow, this changes the battery.
Yeah, I mean, but that's the norm for all drones. I mean, because of the motors and stuff. I mean, they can't have big batteries because, you know, it'll weigh it down more. and then the motors have to be stronger, and then that, so really, it's impossible to have a good battery life on a drone as far as I know. See, you can see those red lights, because the BIOS is detecting see those red blinking lights up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's because it's a low battery. Oh, it's at 26%. I want to do a little more, and then do one more 360 degrees, and then I'm going to have to land, because...
Oh my god.
Oh, 126. Edgar, when we're done, just hit... See that button with the H?
H?
The down with H?
Yes?
I'll press that in just a second.
Okay, just tell me when, okay?
Okay. It's hard to press buttons with these gloves.
Yep. But they keep you warm.
Very warm. Thanks, Edgar.
You're welcome. That's what best friend.
Yeah, because my hand... Did you see my hands were turning blue, literally?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to get frostbite. So, that's probably dumb that I went a couple of days doing this without any gloves. 130? Should we try 135 and then land?
Sure.
I think we better land after like 130. Probably even a little less. Let's do a thing. There we go, around. Look at that view. Look at that.
Oh my god.
17% left. Alright. We'll do a little bit more and then we better just land it, because the battery says it's estimating 2 minutes left on the battery.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in
cancel?
10 seconds.
Alright, 132. Okay. Like 135 and then we're gonna land. Okay, you know what? Just land.
What? Just land?
Hit press H. And then slide.
Okay.
Landing.
That's too close. I'm very nervous. See how fast it's dropping? 70.
Critically low battery.
There we are. And that's basically exactly where we left when we started it. Don't you notice that?
Yeah.
That's very precise. Oops. Here, can you hit slide to land?
Landing.
Thanks, Edgar.
Landing.
Isn't that beautiful? 135. You know what? Tomorrow we might do more. We might try 160 tomorrow. If the wind isn't that bad.
This is amazing.
Very. Oh, 1 second. Let me hit stop recording.